Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the practicals of 12th Commerce, IT practicals, that is based on lesson number 1, that is Advanced Web Designing. So in this video, we are going to see the total 7 SOPs which belongs to chapter number 1. In this SOPs, we have the programs which are based on CSS properties, and the types of CSS. Along with that, we have image insertion, video insertion, image mapping, and audio insertion programs. Along with that, there are few programs of ordered and unordered list. So we'll begin with the first SOP. So in the first SOP, we have to create 2 pages, that is page 1 and page 2. So this is the code of one page, and this is how the output looks like. So we have one feedback form, and this is the second page where you have the feedback form along with the submit button. So this is how the second page output appears. Then in the second SOP, again we have the program where we are giving the details of tourist places using ordered list. So this is how the output looks like. You can also do these programs in the mobile app. Next is SOP number 3, where we are creating website using HTML and CSS properties. Again, here you can see a form is created regarding a traveler's information along with a submit button. So this is how the output looks like. And then in the page 2, we have some information regarding the transporter like name, time, seat number, and designation, which is written again in the unordered list, that is in the UL tag. So you can see this is how the page 2 output appears. Next we have SOP number 4. In SOP number 4, again you can see we have linked 2 pages with the A tag, and few websites have been linked. So this is how exactly the output appears. Next is SOP number 5, where we are doing the program related to audio insertion. An audio file is inserted. So any type of extension like .mp3, .ogg, .wav, so such type of extensions can be used. So once you execute the program, you can see such type of output is being shown. So once you play on the play button, so immediately you can listen the voice. Next is SOP number 6. In SOP number 6, you can see video insertion program. So here you can use video tag for video insertion. So several extensions of videos can be used here, like .mp4 is used in this program, then .wbm and .ogg. So this is how you can see the output has been executed. After that, the final program, that is based on client-side image mapping. So this is a navigation of an image using client-side image mapping in your web page using HTML5. So this is how the output appears. You can see different shapes have been taken, and these shapes are being done like circle. You can see a triangle, then a polygon. So such type of image mapping can be seen in this program. So this is all about chapter number 1 SOPs. All these programs are running very well. You can just try and execute these programs in your HTML notepad, and then you can just execute and see the outputs. In case any query, you can give it or write it in the chat box and kindly give the comment regarding it. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.